In this video, I'll tell you about the AWS SageMaker Marketplace. As you can see, I have logged in into my AWS Management Console. Here you have to search for Amazon SageMaker. It shows in my recently visited, so I'll directly click over here. And now I'll be taken to the Amazon SageMaker. And in your left panel, you just have to scroll down and you will find one option of AWS Marketplace. Just expand this and then you can click on model packages. Here you will get the pre-trained state-of-the-art machine learning and deep learning models. So as you can see, featured model packages, license plate detection recognition, face and license plate analyzer, Glucon YOLO V3 object detector. So these are different kind of ready-made models that you can purchase and directly use them. Otherwise, you can also search for some models that you want for a specific task. Let me show you one example. Let's open this Glucon CV YOLO V3 object detector. So this is a popular deep learning task, object detection, and you only look once is a very popular deep learning algorithm. So YOLO V3 is a powerful network for fast, accurate object detection powered by Glucon CV. Let's click on view the product. And over here you can see you will get the basic information about this model, how it works and what is the pricing information for different regions. So you can go through that. Let me show you one sample demo. So free demo is available for this product. So let us try this. So I'll click on try product demo. And over here, so try a product demo of object detection capabilities of this model. So we can upload any image of our own and we'll see whether this model is able to perform well or not. So I'll click on upload an image and I have downloaded few images. So let me first upload this one. I'll show you on 2-3 different images and we'll see how the model is performing and what is the confidence level and accuracy of the objects that it is recognizing. So this is the image, and in this image we have this laptop and these chairs over here. So this model is able to recognize one chair and this whole laptop. So if I hover over this, it shows this is a laptop with confidence of 66%, and over here if I hover over this chair, it is able to recognize this. So as you can see, confidence for chair and laptop. Let me upload another image and let us see how it works. So let us upload this one. So this is a traffic image having different cars, bikes and persons. So it is able to, I think it is working very well on this image. So mostly all cars it has recognized, this person, motorcycle, everything it has recognized, and objects identified in the image can be seen over here. Let me try this on one final image that I have. So large group of African safari animals. Again, it has identified all birds, giraffe, elephants, etc., etc. So this is about your AWS Marketplace, where you can directly get different ready-made models. I hope you are clear with what is discussed in the video. Thank you for watching.